Hi guys, for this video I will show you how to thread the sewing machine. The brand is Brother XL-2600i. So first you will go there. I will start here in the bobbin, guys. So first you just follow this picture. So we need to be like this one. So we just put it here, that one, and then we will insert this one here in this thing, and then do it like that. And then put back and close it, and that's it. So now we'll move to the thread. So here, guys, I just follow the step, this one. So just put the thread like this, so it must be like open like that, and then I will just follow the steps. So you go under, and then go like that. This is one, and then number two, you just follow, you put it down, and three like that, then go here, and then you will go that way. When you go that way, you need to insert this one here, like here. Do you see that? So go that way, then insert in the, like the one is still, and then go down. Then here at the bottom, we are going to insert this thread in the small like steel here, and then you can thread, put the the thread in the hole. If you find hard, guys, you can use this one for your, so you can use it. It's easier for you. If I never try that one. Okay, we'll see. So you see that, guys? There's a small thing, like a small needle here. We'll see if it will bring there. Yeah, that's it, guys. So did you see that one? I got it. There's a small like that. So you just pull the thing, and it's already thread. So there's a small needle here, this one here, some clip. Just can hold the needle while you're, you need to go there, and then yeah, that's what I did. So yes, and then after, guys, it's already thread. We need to put this one at the back. And then here, you need to turn here, like that one, or even and where the needle goes down. We need to pull the other thread. Yeah, so we'll start. So you need to just turn this one here until it goes back, and it will bring back it's in here. So we need to get this one. Like that. So you need to pull this one here. So yeah, that's it. So now the two threads are already there, and you can start sewing. Hey guys, I'm going to use or seam my pants kasi ano siya, mahaba siya. So yeah, and then I will seam it like 2 inches. So ito na yung ano guys, yung measurement pa, para hindi na siya maano sa ground. So yeah, so here, ito yung ano natin, sewing machine. So I think I will just follow this line guys, may tahi ba? Para ano siya, para siya, ang tawag doon, straight siya. Dito na ako na marunong mag ano guys, tahi. Sige guys, okay, we'll start. Okay, ganyan yan. Straight it. Steady please.
What do we want? What do we want?
I'm showing my pants. Okay. Cut natin. Oops. See. Yung tahi. So guys, ganito na. Kaya naman ay ikat mo yung mga extra na thread. Dapat first first you need to go back para ma-lock siya ba yung thread. See, kasi yung tahi guys, oh. Sa ano siya, sa labas, diba okay na siya. Tapos ano ko pa ito, double, kung pwede hindi na kasi nandiyan yung mataas kasi siya. So maybe I will, ayan ko to dito isa.